Hi, this is Misha, and this is just a little update video on the M1 Garand. We have a full history on it, so check out the playlist for that and other Americans. I just wanted to show a couple of things. First, this is the late style short bayonet here. It actually locks on to the same bayonet lug and then into the gas system down here, the little hole. This is more of a later style. We also have the giant sword bayonet, kind of a throwback to earlier days. And this actually has a ring that goes around the muzzle. This is a repro. This here is actually an original though. I just thought I'd show that. The main reason I'm doing this video is I wanted to talk about rear sights real quick. This has the Lockbar, so-called rear sight. It says here. This was in use during World War II. What had happened here, when it's dogged down, you cannot move your sights. This locks it in, and then you unscrew it. It has little detents there. Doot, doot. And once you do that, you can adjust your sight here and here. So both for windage and elevation. And once you set it where you need, then you doot, down like that. And now you cannot adjust it anymore. That was told literally lock it down, hence the lock bar. This is the later style because this is a 1945 gun. Originally, these edges weren't squared off, they were more rounded, so a little more aesthetically appealing, a little more in line with the sight, but also a little, a little more machining time and also a little less easy to grasp. Now, the reason I'm doing this video, most of these sights were pulled off and replaced with the M1 Garand sight you know today, which was even carried over to the M14, only changing from yards to meters, because this was pretty hinky. It's a neat historical feature, but I'm sure you can understand the problems that would come with this. I'll just show you the other side here. Just a smooth elevation knob. But these are completely interchangeable. It's very easy to remove a lock bar and replace it with a more modern style. These are usually peened on, so you might have to break a little bit of peening there to get it unscrewed. But other than that, it's easy. And pretty much all M1 Garands left in service after World War II had this done even before Korea. I just thought I would share it. It's kind of an interesting little historical tidbit. I picked up this sight for this rifle here just to kind of restore it back to 1945. Obviously I can put the post-war sight back on, or I shouldn't even say sight. The sight itself doesn't change, it's just the drums. So yeah, I just thought I would talk about the M1 Garand a bit. Otherwise, we're the same. It's a Garand. This one also appears in a story time video where I talk about how I acquired it. So check that out if also interested. This is Misha. We appreciate you tuning in to this little mini video. If you liked it, please click like, and also please click on the link and check out our Patreon page. We'll catch you next time.